The Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat and the L10s Ultra are cutting-edge robot vacuum and mop combos delivering exceptional cleaning performance. While both models boast advanced features like obstacle avoidance, smart navigation, and efficient cleaning capabilities, they cater to distinct user needs. Here's a detailed comparison to help you decide which one fits your home best. Mop Extend technology. The L10s Pro Ultra Heat sets itself apart with Mop Extend technology, which extends the mop to reach tight corners and baseboards, ensuring a thorough edge clean. The L10s Ultra lacks this feature, making the Pro Ultra Heat the go-to option for users seeking detailed cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Mop lifting height. Both models feature mop lifting for smooth transitions between hard floors and carpets, but the L10s Pro Ultra Heat offers a higher lift at 10.5 millimeters compared to the 7 millimeters of the L10s Ultra. This added clearance minimizes manual intervention when transitioning between surfaces, making it a more versatile choice for mixed floor households. Hot water washing. Hygiene-concerned users will appreciate the L10s Pro Ultra Heat's 136-degree Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, which keeps the mop fresher and reduces odors. While both models offer self-cleaning and drying, the L10s Ultra lacks the hot water washing feature, which may be a disadvantage for those who seek a deeper clean. Intelligent docking features. At first glance, the docking stations for both models appear similar, with capabilities to empty, wash, refill, and dry the robots. However, the L10s Pro Ultra Heat offers additional perks such as fast charging and compatibility with the separately sold auto refill empty station water tank system. It also boasts a larger 3.2-liter dustbin capacity at 75 days and 4.5-liter clean and 4-liter dirty water tanks, compared to the L10s Ultra's 3-liter dustbin at 60 days and 2.5-liter clean and dirty water tanks. Navigation and obstacle avoidance. Both models are equipped with double laser and AI-powered obstacle avoidance capable of identifying up to 55 types of obstacles. However, the L10s Pro Ultra Heat adds Clean Genius multi-spectrum dirt detection, enabling automatic room-by-room cleaning strategies, which the L10s Ultra lacks. Suction power. The L10s Pro Ultra Heat offers a powerful 7,000 pascals of suction power compared to the L10s Ultra's 5,300 pascals, ensuring superior debris removal. Both models excelled in carpet deep cleaning tests and perform exceptionally on all floor types. With the same 5,200 mAh battery, the Pro Ultra Heat delivers a slightly longer runtime of 220 minutes versus the Ultra's 210 minutes. When deciding between the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat and the L10s Ultra, the choice depends on your specific priorities. The L10s Pro Ultra Heat excels with its Mop Extend technology for superior edge cleaning, a higher mop lifting height for seamless transitions, and advanced hot water washing for better hygiene. It also offers greater suction power, extended runtime, and upgrades like a larger water tank and fast charging capabilities. On the other hand, the L10s Ultra is a solid performer with similar navigation and cleaning results, but lacks the Pro Ultra Heat's advanced features. If you're looking for premium automation and maximum versatility, the Pro Ultra Heat is the clear winner. However, for users focused on reliable cleaning performance without extra bells and whistles, saving you money, the L10s Ultra is a fantastic choice.